So my name is Chaittali. I live in Mumbai. I have been a designer since the last 17 years now. I was born in Mumbai and raised in Canada and the US. I'm a practicing creative director and a brand designer. I do a lot of strategy work for luxury brands in print and packaging. I also teach at intuit.lab Mumbai. You can't design for people until you make an emotional connection. And similarly with teaching. I think it's really understanding what makes them take certain decisions, how they think of themselves, that you really get to understand things better and design for them or teach them. So the exercise today is that they have to make a concept for a country, starting from the logo to the currency design as well as the monument and the flag. And this has to be a new age, progressive, inclusive nation that is not divided by religion or intolerance. So I made them do the whole design thinking process. So if you see this, how the typography, they're infusing on the numbers. No. This is the right one. It looks like it's a connection. So the top view is going to be the same as this. And there is no wrong way. There is never a wrong way. As long as you have listened to your gut feeling. There's never a bad idea to take up a project. There's never a bad idea to learn something new. So always just be a free explorer, free thinker, because that's when the discoveries happen. And that's when you make your unique stories.